Hello guys, today I have got Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you all the ways to charge your earbuds. The first way, of course, the most common one, the most used one, is of course charging your earbuds using the power brick. Plug your cable to your power brick and the second part of this cable plug into your earbuds. The cable needs to be USB Type-C to C. Like this. Ensure that both earbuds are in the charging case, that these metal pads actually stick to this bottom ones, like over here, and everything should be good to go. Of course, the second way can be using your phone, which means that you can connect your cable to your phone, and they should start charging too. That's it. Goodbye.